और Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabari kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines but kiwe de kiri. Kidi ki top medical colleges but ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kan long kasngi ka bapen kemen hadu kata-kata. Ya ki padba ki basyong ha ki shnong bapher jong kathan rani bari kabadon hajan ka Khappud jong ka jala Assam hadin ba u MLA ka Jirang constituency uba sostina sotun ha ka khanru tarik unaitung arajar arpsan ula pli padba ya ka rani bari sub center ka bahab hapo ka Jirang CNRD block kumban supentep hangni ba ka rani bari sub center kan a jingmentoy yikipat ba ha ki khadar tali ki shnong Khappud ki badon ha kathan rani bari namarba ki padba ki basyong ha kani kathan menta ki lasuk ban lejwat jingsumar ha kapang kasitom namarba mensua ki ha ban lejwat jingsumar shadu war mausau ne sha patharkhma bat wat shaki jaka sumar ki badon ha ka jalla Assam ha ka jingple yakani ka sub center la sakhilang da ka additional deputy commissioner jong ka Ribon district ka kong B Rani AR Marang DMHO ka Ribon ka medical officer jong ka Patharkhma CHC ka Dr. Kelingdo ki nong mikmat na ka Karuna Toras ki rangba shnong ka thain Rani bari bat ki padba nong shnong.
It is indeed with great appreciation that we express here today along with the entire people present here that it takes dedication, perseverance and hard work from your part to see the realization of this dream. So the people and all present here, including my colleague here who is also Assistant Commissioner, let's give Sir first of all a round of applause for his personal intervention in seeing that this happens today. So as we all know, as Sir has already told us that this has been a long awaited dream for the community. And as we see here today, we can see the participation of the youth, the beautiful song that I've just presented. So I think that we know the importance of this day because one of the ambition or one of the objective of having a PHC is to have a closer interaction, a closer relationship with the people. And in the Indian healthcare system, we know that these kinds of health centers have served the public. We know that they are the first step towards providing healthcare, primary healthcare to the public.
Today, I'm very happy, and I would like to thank the NPP-led government under the leadership of Sir Konrad K. Sangma and Madam Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, who is the Health Minister. It is because of the leadership who knew each and every area, the needs of the people, be it health or be it the other departments, the PHC, the PWD, or any other departments. This government, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Konrad K. Sangma, has done lots of development for the state of Meghalaya, especially for Jirang constituency. That's why we gathered here today with happiness, joy, together with the health department to see that this building, this permanent building, just constructed right in the border with Assam. And I would like to tell in front of you all, my dear friends, sometimes you will see in the comments you'll see that certain people will say that this government has done nothing for the people who are residing in the border. This is wrong, I'll tell you. This is wrong. The NPP-led government, if we take to roads, PWD, we take to health sector, water resource, PHE, sports, it has done a lot of development, especially with the border areas. So we stand here together to congratulate the government, to congratulate the health department, the DMHO, the medical officers in charge of Paratma, Warmausau, and all the health cares of Jirang constituency. We have to congratulate them because they work for the betterment of the people of our constituency.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.